Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get daily commissions in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games launcher, and once you're in game, press and hold Alt on your keyboard, which will bring up your mouse pointer, like so, and then click on this banner icon right here, right next to your map. So here you can see all your daily commission quests right over here. Keep in mind that these refresh every 24 hours, so once you take it, you have to complete it within the given time frame. You can also get these rewards right here by completing these quests. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming